In this video, I'm going to show you an application of the dynamics principle, in particular to distort the front of a kick more than the tail using a compressor. This is the original, a simple sine wave sweeping through the frequencies. Then I can shape the amplitude using a compressor. The attack is slow and there is makeup gain, therefore, noting the level meter. Because of the attack, the compressor takes some time to compress. Then, because of the makeup gain, this effectively increases the gain right at the front. Looking visually like this. Noting the front bit, the attack is still quite a lot above zero. 8.5 dB above zero. So if I normalize, it looks a bit more like this. Now, to distort, the simplest option, apply soft clipping directly in the compressor. Again, notice the change in level. Also note how much nicer that attack is. It's got more punch and energy. Bringing out harmonics on that pitch envelope, which visually looks like this. Notice the front, what's called the attack on a kick, distorted, those squared off peaks. However, we can do better. Instead of distorting in the compressor, what about adding our own distortion, such as this saturator in soft sine mode? As this isn't just clipping the peaks, it's also wave shaping in general, which therefore also distorts, adds in harmonics for the tail, which didn't go above zero. Notice these extra harmonics add tone, weight, body, all the while still applying more distortion at the front, which you can see. Can you see the subtle difference in shape? But again, why stop there? What if I applied a more advanced distortion algorithm? Say crunchy grunge, adding in many more harmonics, giving that tail significantly more tone and personality, as well as weight and energy, or alternatively harmonic control and asymmetrical wave shape. And you could even stack these. There's no real predicting which wave shape will be best. Simply try a bunch and see which connects with you. Doing one final reference first with no dynamics shaping, so no compression, and then with dynamics shaping. It makes a big difference to the attack, the front bit. Thanks for watching.